Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be coloring in a whimsical teapot that I illustrated with a pen and ink. It's an original design that I've come up with here and want to show you how I'm coloring it with alcohol markers. I'm really enjoying alcohol markers, and I ordered a set that has a lot of colors, like maybe over 150. And so instead of getting like too overwhelmed with all the color choices and my options, I've decided to make limited palettes, so to speak, where I choose out a small amount of markers that I feel like go together harmoniously and really just focus on learning the values, meaning the highlights and shadows with those markers. So you'll see here in my selection, I have like either one or two shades of shadow. So a light, a mid-tone, and a dark. And some of the colors I've chosen only have a light and a dark. And in those cases, I'm typically using the paper as the whitest highlight, very similar to how we would do with watercolor techniques, where the paper is the light. And so I did that. You can see there in the white of the highlight that's on the teapot is a white paper highlight, as well as the blossoms that you'll see in the awning over the door and the teapot lid. And I tucked that darkest blue shadow under those to hopefully create some depth and dimension. After this video rolls, I actually spent some more time blending in the dark shadow of the teapot because it's not very blended here and even in my final B-roll that I show you here at the end. So I do spend some time blending it in some more because I'm really learning with these markers how to, just make the transitions between the lights and the darks. I've tried to stop overthinking the lighting of my illustrations. I used to think about it a lot and, am I putting the highlight in the correct place? And then I realized I just need to relax and enjoy the process, have a general idea of where the light source is coming from. So in this particular illustration, you see the lantern is shining from the left-hand side, and I'm imagining a moon starting to pop up maybe in the top left side of the sky there, and so I've lit the illustration accordingly with my lights and my darks and where I place the shadows, but I've tried to not overthink and just have fun playing with the lights and the shadows, choosing the colors that feel harmonious. I hope somehow this has encouraged you to play with alcohol markers and not get overwhelmed with the color choices, but more think in terms of lights and darks and how you can create depth in your illustration. Check out the channel for more tutorials. I have a 1-hour pumpkin house tutorial where I take you through every single step from sketch to the final color. I'd love to see you around the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.